I'm going to take you through. We need to make a table to summarize out all the departments and every stuff that lies in that department. What should we do? First of all, I will need to bring the departments as headers. It is just a simple formula we are going to use. We are going to use a formula of unique. We are going to pick the unique departments that are here. So here is equal to, I will use the formula unique, which is that select the whole range up to the bottom and enter. So it will give me all the unique departments, but I need these unique departments in a horizontal format. So what do? I'm going to add here another function called transpose, which means this one is in a vertical way. I want to transpose it to horizontal. So you encapsulate the unique function into a transpose function, which is that, and close bracket, and there we go. So you'll find that now our departments are in a horizontal manner. So if I added another department here, let's say commercial, it will automatically add to our list. So anything you add adds to our list. Now what do? We are going to summarize out the list of the stuff that lie on each department. How do we do this? We are going to use another function, use the filter function. So the filter function, you can only find it in Office 365, that is Excel 365. Please reach Sabtech. We have subscriptions pending. You can always pay a few dollars for that. So we are going ahead with the filter function equals to filter. What do we want to filter? We want to filter the stuff. I will Control Shift down arrow. You move up to the end, comma. Then what do we need to include? We are including the department. Control Shift down arrow. It will take you up to the end, and what we are including is, it should be equal to the first department, that is HR. So the moment I put the formula, which I repeat, it is filter, then the array, what you want to include, which has a logical function, equals to HR. So this is what we get. And before I drag this to the right, I'm going to lock my ranges, that is F4 on your keyboard. Also select the second array, F4 on your keyboard, and there you go. So after locking, which means I can drag this to the right, I'll get IT. These are the stuff in IT. I drag the same formula for sales. Commercial, remember we have only one, which we changed. Then up to the end. This is it, guys. Please consider subscribing, leave a comment for any video you need from us, and please share with a friend, and we meet you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.